Hi everyone, want your AI images to look ultra realistic and match your exact vision? Here's how to fully customize your image styles using the Prome AI. Let's get started. First, go to Prome AI and then here, click the text to image tool and let you create a detailed photorealistic images prompt and style it on your way. Then the Prome AI has a built-in styles presets like a cinematic, hyper-realistic 3D render or photography. But here's a game changer. You can also upload your own reference image to guide the output moods and tone. Then you can write your prompt. Then you can use a specific descriptive prompts to guide the realism. For example, a rainy Tokyo, street nights, neon reflections, cinematic lighting, Fuji tones. The more detailed, the better the realism. Then adjust the render strength, lighting, composition, and aspect ratio. To match your concept, if you want a vertical or for social media, you can widescreen for presentation, then choose. Then click generate and the Chrome AI works its magic. And that's how you customize the ultra realistic AI image that is ready to use. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.